finding out different ways of like, hey, sending out the meeting recap. Do I send it out afterwards or the next business day? Another experiment I'm running with meetings, I'm also having more timed meetings. So what that looks like is saying, hey, we have a 30-minute meeting. Okay, for the first 5 minutes, John, you have this block, but normally I go over my risk. So I normally go over the risk. I say I have 5 minutes for that, and I time stamp each particular item because I want to have the meetings when someone comes in. It was like, man, this meeting is. I mean, you just flowing through and still leaving time available just in case if any unforeseen thing comes up or somebody has something to discuss, but really running, really showing people that, hey, I really appreciate your time. And I know time is something you can't get back. So I want to keep it as concise as possible, but still keeping that more of an adaptable mindset of being to say, hey, but if we got to pivot, I'm there to pivot. All right, point number 4. This is one of the things I started doing when I was little.